There's my little 1959 ZEUS Borg-Warner generator. 1959. Look at this thing, man. This thing is freaking incredible. I'm going to start it up for you here and power some stuff with it. I changed the oil, put fresh gas in it. It's just the coolest little generator. I have a generator already. I just bought this to put on a shelf because look at, I mean, read that stuff. That's unbelievable, huh? Isn't that the neatest markings? Look at that cover. Oil bath filter. Yeah. Alright. There it is running. We got something plugged in there. Oh yeah, a little 4.5-inch grinder.